Good morning everyone, it's me again Clem from clemtravlog. Today is Saturday, now it's around 6:15. I'm currently with Chris.
What's up?
And we're going to do a short ride. Chris hasn't been riding since early of the year, Yu Yang. So we're going to do a sort of like refreshment ride. So and then prepare for next month annual Yu Yang again. Yes. And today we're going to ride in, we are now at Werribee River Station, just the car park here, the station at the back. We're going to ride to Mansion and come back. This is going to be a short ride, and Chris is going to have two friends joining us. We're still waiting for them, won't be long. And then we'll be kick off. See you later. So now we are start riding. And Chris' friends are here, they're all wearing blacks. Black bike, black shirt. Now we're gonna start riding on a Werribee River Trail all the way to Werribee Mansion. So we finally started our ride at the car park of the Werribee station. Our plan was to ride on Werribee River Trail, cross under the Princess Freeway and go to the back door of Werribee Mansion. And then we're gonna have a little tour around the mansion. Then we will return to the Werribee Town Centre for a quick coffee. So on my right hand side, this is I think called Big Hole of Werribee River. Used to be a swimming area, nature swimming area before this swimming pool opened. So I made a video about this Werribee River Trail, make the introduction. You can, if you're interested to know more about this Werribee River Trail, you can have a look. Unfortunately, some parts of the video is a bit blur. It's fogging up, so maybe in the future I will make a new one to reintroduce this trail. So 3 of us riding mountain bike, except one of Chris' friend riding a gravel bike. So as usual, I'm riding my Merida Big 710. It's early in the morning, the weather is good, the fresh air. Now it's going to be a climb. Come on Chris, push, climb! So from this way, it should connect to Federation Trail. So now we're going to cross the river from the aqueduct. Last time me and Chris go down here. Remember this, Chris?
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Oh shit. Oh. I remember going through this one.
You want to do it again?
Nah.
Hey! Oh my god. They closed the bridge, is it? Oh. Apparently, that's the bridge that we usually use to cross Werribee River to get to the mansion. Unfortunately, it was fenced off. We had no idea why, so we keep riding south and search for another river crossing. Another dead end in front of the river. So seems like original plan cut off. We can't go mansion. So we're gonna go further down and check it out where it leads to. And then we go back to Werribee and find a coffee shop to have a breakfast. Yeah, basically today is a very easy chill ride. So now this is a bit more new exploration for me. This path from the bridge, never been here. According to the map, it says it leads to the Western Treatment Plant, but I recall that the area actually is a restricted area, so we can't really go in. So we might as well just try to go as far as we can and see where it leads to. Have a turn around? Huh? What happened? I don't know. Shall we? Next time we can do a longer one. We kinda continue south for another 5 to 10 minutes and we sort of worrying where were we going. So end up we decided to turn back. Heading back to the town center. Just gonna get a coffee and then call it off for the day. Have karate to go later. Nice ride, meeting new people, new friends. Live nearby, so we can organize in the future some ride together. Right, there's Water Street. Actually good coffee, this one. So have coffee from TICKR, very good. And next to TICKR there's another two cafes. And I found something very interesting. Look at this one, Wolf at Wharton. That's where we WCS comes for coffee after Yu Yang's ride. And next to the Wolf of Wharton's, look at this. 3-liter pigs. So the wolf and the pigs.
Hey, piggies! Open the door and let me in! Nuh-uh-uh!
Meanwhile...
Hello.
Hello.
You want to go say hello? Come on.
Oh,
Yeah.
so cute.
Come on. Talk. Talk. Who wants bacon?
Wow.
Abby, who wants biscuits? Who wants chicken? You want treats? Talk.
So we had coffee on Water Street. Now we are heading into what you call this? Wyndham Park. And then we're gonna head back to our car park. All right,
See you, man.
good to see you.
Good to meet you.
We can organize more ride together.
Yeah, next time, yeah.
Next time we go Federation Trail.
Yeah, Federation Trail.
Where's that? Oh, the other way.
Yeah, we can go all the way to Yarraville.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I need to buy a gravel bike.
No, it's okay. This one.
yeah. We take it easy. Don't worry. And then if we
I'm
keep,
riding this.
if we keep, we can connect to Hobson Bay and then come back from Hobson Bay.
That'll be good.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, see ya.
See you.
See you. Nice
Be
to meet
safe.
you, man.
Yeah, nice
See
to
you
meet you.
next time.
Keep in touch.
Yeah, take care.
I see you.
It's finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe the channel,
and share out. Leave a comment if you have any feedback for us. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.